Hello learners, does your mobile wake you up with an alarm? Do you end your day by scrolling through your social media feeds? Then, time for you to turn to the other side of the table where you can create your own mobile app. Presenting you Flutter. It's going to help you create your own mobile app into Android, iOS, and whatnot other platforms, which includes web, Linux, macOS. I'm Swayam. I hold a 10 years experience into mobile app development and I've created this course Next Gen Mobile Apps with Flutter. You can learn about Flutter from the very basics, starting from scratch to the foundations and then moving ahead to complex topics. We will be going into the depth and create 5 live projects from scratch. In fact, each live project is going to be inclined to the industry standards wherein I'm going to teach to you programming with good practices. Things we will be covering is state management, routing, and what other principles you need to get adhered to in order to have a good mobile app. If you're looking out for a job, even if you're looking out to be a good problem solver and have an awesome stunning mobile app, I encourage you to enroll to this Flutter course wherein you will be able to understand Flutter from the very basics to the very niche where you can be on the top of the market. It's highly advisable that you check out the content description for this course and then find an inclination for the course towards this mobile app development. See you there.